Like that. See what they're doing right now is making pure orange juice. I know. Orange juice. Oh. No. You put the cup later. You put the cup later. Alright. See? Ayan mo. Press mo. Press. There you go. Oh. Tinawan. Very good though. You want to do one more? Okay, remove that. Stop it na muna. Stop it, oh. Oh, use this one. Oh, go. Press it. No. Ew. Oh, go. Press. Very good. Very good, anak. See? You know how to do it? See, tingnan mo, natanggal natin yung core niya, oh. See? Orange. So you have to drink pure orange juice para makumulat ng vitamin C para hindi ka magkaroon ng cold, okay? Kaya ako binili yan sa'yo eh. It's a juicer. You happy?
I keep going.
Good.